What's up, friends? So, today we are going to be doing an acrylic pouring, and I didn't bother changing clothes yet, so this is my normal kicking it wear. And yeah, so we've got watermelon slice, gecko or cricket field, and other other equally ridiculous color names. But I really love these colors. They're all on a color wheel that are spaced tri from each other, so they're trietary. Really cool. And so I'm excited for today's pouring, and hopefully I didn't forget anything, and I'm going to try to be as clean as at all possible. Okay, so let's get this thing started. Really excited. So what I did different from last time, I left out a color. I left out this color. This is the cricket field. Okay, so I left in the salamander, took out the cricket field. And I didn't like the way this one, when it thinned out, I just felt like it gave it a sickly yellow. Actually, do you want to see it? It's right here. So this is the one we did last time. Yeah. Anyway, I love this one. I think we poured it like that. I really do like this one. It's not finished, so it's not quite as vibrant as it was. So we're going to finish it, and it will be as vibrant, but what I'm going to try to get rid of is these extra bits here. I mean, although that lacing is absolutely beautiful right through there. Okay, so anyway, without too much more ado, we shall start the pouring. Now, what I did, I pre-mixed these cups, and they're excellent in that. So I mixed them, and I let them sit, which I have never, ever done before. Did I mention never? I always mix and go, and I'm always just too excited. But today, I didn't have time to do it just like I normally do it, so this is what we did. So, yeah, let's get this thing started. I like a couple spritzes, one or more, in my cup from the WD-40 with silicone, water-resistant lubricant, multi-surface quick drawing, protects against rust, and makes awesome paintings. All right, so one thing I like about spraying my before everything goes in is that it all comes out, and I really like not wasting any paint. Sometimes I don't care, but in this case, you know what? All of it. Oh no! Well, that's where that goes. That's the pouring song. I just made it up. It's going to be a hit. Alright, yeah, get them colors in there. So sometimes you pour it up high when you want a little bit more of a craziness, more separation, more cell action, more busyness happening. And then I generally pour it lower, closer, when I kind of want a more distinction with colors grouped together and less breaking apart. But I'm in a mood right now, in a feisty one. Oh man. Yeah, so we are gonna get this is gonna look absolutely beautiful. I'm gonna take some of this extra white, spread about. You know what I've never done, and I've always wanted to? I love Anne Osborne's where she does the flip and drag thing. I absolutely love negative space, and if you've been watching any of my alcohol ink videos, that's mostly what I do, is I do the negative space because I love it so much. I just find it to be absolutely beautiful and whatever and stuff. And yeah, that's good. I was stopped paying attention to where I was putting it. Anyway, okay. I'm gonna stop playing with my paint. I've got nicer clothes on today. Not nice, but nicer. Alright, ready? 3, 2, 1. Flip that cup! It's so much more fun. See, this is why I put the silicone in ahead of time. You can see that all the paint is gonna get in there. And less stuck on the cup, more on my canvas, which I've got too much paint here, but I actually like the way it turns out better when there's just a touch too much paint. So I guess it's just the right amount of paint. But let's see here. Well, that's really not very stuff. Green, blue, a little bit of our. This, oh man, the longer I leave, see? So what I'm trying to do, what I'm attempting to do, I can see the bubbles want to come up, and they're a whole bunch right through here. And actually, I have no idea how I got so many bubbles in something that I let sit so long. I'm going to tilt this more. Let's not leave it like this, but yeah. There we go. Just got to pour off some of the more boring stuff and it'll get interesting again. Except now my cells are really stretched. So what I'm doing right now is I'm slow tilting it. I'm trying to get some of my cells back into rounder. Okay. There we go. I love this color right through here. Let's see if we can't bring more of it out. Where's my towels? My paper towels. I got paint hands. So let's use that torch to tilt along, torch along this edge. So right here and right here. See if we can't bring out more of that blue. I absolutely love that blue, by the way. It, paint hands. Paint hands. Looks like I've been smacking Smurfs around. I got oh, I love it when it does that. Actually, you know what? I said just torch that little bit. I'm gonna torch the whole thing. Who am I kidding? Man, it seems like I got a whole crap ton of green on here, but I really didn't put that much in there. Yellow, I didn't put any yellows in. Yellow and blue. Maybe I did put more green in than I thought I did. Let's get some of this coral more defined. But it's right below the surface of this area right here. And it wants to come out. I know you do. Ooh. I like how these are kind of still spreading. Bigifying. Like enlarging stuffing. Yeah, so we're bringing, where we torched earlier, we're bringing some green up, we're bringing some bigger specks. All right, so let's get you guys a little bit closer. Let's get you a little bit closer. Let's see. The Arcam. Configure video. Camera control. Zoom. I love this area right here. I really like this business. I like that a lot, actually. Stop. Yeah. All right, guys. So, here we are, and excellent. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you. This very moment, I am going to go upstairs and do my drawing for December's sponsors. And I really appreciate you guys. So I'm going to go upstairs, put it into a randomizing website, and we will find out who this month's sponsor winner is. And we will send you something awesome. All right, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you're so inclined, if you would like or subscribe if you haven't joined us yet. All right, guys. I will talk to you next time. All right. Bye.